how to make a 3D book cover in Canva. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can make a 3D book cover on Canva. It is very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. Now, I am going simply to canva.com. You have first to go ahead and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account on a Canva, it is very easy to sign up. It won't take so long and it is very easy. Now, we have here some platform that can allow or make some designs for free. And this platform, I am going to create the book cover that I want. Let's go ahead on the search bar of Canva and put book cover. And here we have the book cover templates. I'm going to click on enter and here we have some templates. As you can see, here we have a lot of models or of templates that we can customize as we want, or you can go ahead and create your own from a blank book cover. Now let's go ahead and add, or you can go ahead and create, let's go ahead and create our proper book cover. Here I'm going to select a white one. Here I'm going also to put a background. Let's go ahead and add a background like that. This background is better. I'm going to add some images. Let's go ahead and add some images or some effects. Here on elements, I'm going to add some shapes like that. Here we go. It's the first shape. I'm going to put or add another color for that. Let's go ahead and put this, and then I'm going to put it like that, or here, this is better. And here I'm going to duplicate this to make it for this one. Here we have it, but the color is going to be different. For example, like that. And here we have it. Now let's go and add some images. I'm going to add some cartoon like that. Let's say that this is the purpose of a coloring book. For example, you can add a free photos. These photos are copyright free from Canva. I'm going to add this one like that simply, or let's say that I want to add this one. Here we have it. I'm going to make like that, and the title I'm going to make a simply a element. Let's go and add a shape. We'll make it in white, make it a little bit smaller, and here we have it. It's the shape. Now I'm going to add some text, a text box or a heading simply. I'm going to make it wider, and here pirate, for example, pirates coloring book. Here we have this set up. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller to fit the box right here. And here we have it. Now I'm going to change the font of it to something like that. And here we have. This is our cover. Now I'm going simply to download this image to make everything go well. I'm going to download it as a PNG. Here we have the PNG file. And now I'm going to add a new page to this design. On the new page, I'm going to make a white background. Here we have it. Then I'm going to upload the image that we have downloaded. Simply, I'm going to make it right here, make it like that, and then simply you click on the image, click on edit image, and here we have the Magic Studio. Now I'm going to add some mockups. I'm going to the apps. We have some mockups. We'll click on mockups, and it will show us a list of mockups that we can add to this one. I'm going simply to search for a book looking like. Here we have some prints. Let's go ahead and see the prints. Frames, prints. What do we have here? Tablets, TVs. Not a tablet and not a TV frame. Here we are going to click on prints. Generally, here we will have some books. Let's say that I'm going to search for a book. Let's see here. This is the book that I'm going to search for. It looks 3D, or this one also. Let's go ahead and choose this as the first model. Click on it, and here we have some effects of the book. Here we have the book setup. You can go ahead and adjust the image. We have some options. You can go ahead and fill. It is filled, as you can see. You can put some smart crop, for example. You can let the smart crop like that, and here we have it, for example, like that. This is simple. We have some alignment. You can go do some alignments, some flips also, and some colors. You can go ahead and adjust the color of the book, for example. The document color is like that, or something like this, and you can apply the changes. And here we have it. Everything is set up, and we have the 3D mockup. You can detach the image and add another image to it, or you can keep it as you want. Here I'm going to delete that mockup. I'm going to delete that mockup. Let the image be like that. I'm going to make it bigger. And then I'm going to search for the next 3D model that I saw earlier. Here we have the book. The book should be here. And the 3D table is like that. And I'm going to make it like here. And here we have it. This is the 3D looking tables, or it is, I think, a portrait or something like that. You can go ahead with the book cover. Let's go ahead and add the book cover only. We need only that book cover. You can go ahead and make fun and enjoy whatever you want here. I'm going to search. You can search for a lot of images. Go ahead to the photo, make the photo like that, and it will be attached to the model. And here we have it. That was very easy and simple. And now for the finishing part, which is the downloading the 3D model. All you have to do is to click on share, download it, but you have to make sure to download it as a PNG because it will conserve the quality and everything, also the details. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.